So here's Vivy AI Chat AI Girlfriend, Hot Romantic Virtual Girl. So you can just tap get and then double click to install it. And yep, so there you have it. It's, one of the alternatives to these AI girlfriend apps. This one is quite popular these days. Celebrate Valentine's Days with Vivy AI. Relationships, the characters are not easy, are they? Sometimes they come to the situation when we feel fatigued and want to start from the very beginning. So yeah, here you can just see these apps, dive into role-playing games, select your dream AI girl, admire photo gallery, no more language issues. So yep, here you can just open it up, and here is the app, and then you can just you can start creating an account. Then you just select careful, select character, and then select all the answers, and then this just generates this AI character, and then you need to kind of upgrade. You can upgrade with it. 33 monthly, or there is like $40 per year, and then you can actually try to using this app. So yep, that's just the idea. You can open the gift, but yeah, this is just smaller subscription, and then you can just try to use this app like that, or you can then just try to create some new AI girl, and this is kind of some chat GPT, and some of the models here require pro subscription. So yep, that's just what it is here. So give it a try.